Okay, boys and girls, it says count out 21 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 7 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? So we're going to count out 21 Smarties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, boys and girls, we have our 21 Smarties, and it says it wants us to put them into 7 equal groups. So I'm actually going to go up here, and I'm going to make 7 groups the same way I did earlier, going straight down. That's going to represent Miss Noble's groups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what Miss Noble did is she has her 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now she's going to divide them up one by one. So I'm going to give each group 1 Smartie at a time. That way I know for sure that my groups will be equal. So we still have Smarties left, so we're going to divvy those up as well. Goes to our first group, our second group, our third group, our fourth group, our fifth group, our sixth group, and our 7th group. So now all 21 of our Smarties are divided into 7 equal groups, as you can see. And the question is asking us how many Smarties are in each group. Well, then we just go back to our groups. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 Smarties in each group. Boys and girls, if you notice, this also kind of looks like a what? What does this look like? Kind of looks like an array. So keep that in mind, because you're going to have 7 equal groups. And then you have equal amounts in each group.